I've already used concealer to set my eyes for the eyeshadow, but I'm still going to add a little bit. So, like so. Yeah, there is eyeshadow primer, but if you don't have the eyeshadow primer, you can use concealer. Concealer works good as well. So you can use eyeshadow primer, you can use concealer. So I'm just going to add a little to prep the eyes for the eyeshadow. Then I'm going to blend it. That's how prime my eyes with concealer. I'm going to set it with setting powder. So let me use the same brush. Set the eyes with setting powder so that the concealer will not move where you apply your eyeshadow. If you don't set it with powder like this, as you put your eyeshadow and blend, the concealer will start moving. And if it does not move, even if it does not move, your eyeshadow will not last if you don't set it like this. So after you apply the concealer, you have to set it with powder for the eyeshadow to last longer. Now that we have set the eyes, what you're going to do is you have to add a little powder, setting powder under our eyes, so that that one is just for when we are doing the eyes, any eyeshadow that fall on our face, it will fall on top of the powder and not directly to setting powder. Now we are going to add a little on the under eye, just for the eyeshadow that we are doing, so that when the eyeshadow fall off, we are going to dust it off and it will not affect our makeup that we have done, right? So we are going to apply a little bit. Oh, it's too much. Oh, mind me. Oh, it's too much. It's too much. So use the powder to like clean up this contour like so. So for the eyes, I'm using this I Like It Hot eyeshadow palette from V Beauty. These are those beautiful shades. So first, we're going to use this shade right here for our crease. All over the crease. So the eyelid, we are going to use this shade. I want to use my hand to apply it. Then we use the brush to blend. Don't forget, it's for beginners. We are learning. how to do our makeup by ourselves, and we are using only 2 eyeshadow. Only 2. Then you go back and take the first shade you used for your crease and blend the edges to make sure there are no lines there. Blend everything together to make sure there are no lines. You can decide to add a darker shade at the corner, at the outer parts like this. Let's just add small and see how it will look on this side like so. We can leave it like this or just add a little bit of darker shade on the outer corner, then blend it in to make sure there is no harsh line. This black eyeliner pen to line our waterline. Waterline is like the inner part of this your eye. We're lining only the waterline, not this side. This side is the under eye. Here is the waterline. So you're lining only the waterline. They'll take it a little bit to the under eye too. They'll start from the waterline. To the under eye. Liner to line our eyes. You can use black eyeliner pen. You can use black eyeliner pen, or you can use a gel, or you can use a liquid one. This is the liquid one I have here. So I'm just going to do a little, not too much. Remember, you're just starting out, so do a little. Start from the middle. Then this downside, you just see, take a line like this, then take another one, this my liner is like it's already finished. The liner is finished. So now we dust the powder off. Dust off all the eyeshadow fallouts. And the powder. Blend everything together. That is all for the eyes. Simple, just 2 eyeshadow. One for the crease and one for the eyelid. Blend everything together. Very easy. I'll see you in the next part.